Eje n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mancho murigaria Ensoko TV mbia mana soko choregeta seni kigaso butuko buiga wikomina kianda mutyonyego kabera sumwa ko iga bwechiri bubere merongabere na isano nemo chinsa nisa to chia bono butuko kurega so bagatagati bo mwecho Nairobi asensi ya Kenya andansi ya soko tubwate kuro to kwali gandira senchira ya beno karanso ikosangena into kurbono guika omwerio tukomanye ali aene kiwe kurwa se chingongo nyechensa sabari kibaito bamangana basangireri onsi kurwa se mambiari ngentambe wikachinga kechiga chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bagari abakombata sia kurwase studio ya kabere gochikone kya marogine chibichango chara senchirengia toko sabiro karanso ikovenento kurbono wika omwerio mesema yakuru Ensoko chinsa isa to chakira bono kurende tora nyora senchira yobo ikiranu ayiga negatia to kwari gandete wotkuwara
all the partners for bringing this vision to life. Let us work together to ensure that research leads, policies change, and communities benefit across Kenya, across Africa.
Omowaziri ogamba oraire omoroberi obwo sira chisemi chobotukia se University ya Kisii.
Leo tuko maeneo ya ufanisi kuwadunga free wifi.
Nyangeso umehakikisha leo tumepata wifi, na wifi kuna vitu vingi tutaifanyia. Wengi tumezoea kutumia credit ambapo mwisho wa siku umengangana kutafuta pesa.
Abarundi abechipigipigi kurwa se stage of fanisi koko kirobo konyi bwe wifi ya bosa kurwa somo samarium ya
funds that will come under the purview of the exchequer will be
naboigo hegatia barai kurwa se county ya Nairobi baire okoboko okobwatira negatia serikali nene nerie county ya Nairobi. Karibu sana mwancho murigari ya butko bwara togo chakano robot ro kubwatia mu vice chancellor wa University ya Kisii Professor Nathan Ogechi nigo aragire usara ire beno muroberi obogo chakiwa muroberi wa masomo oheri Africa abwa sabarkuwa baria bare neganga yogo somera amasomo yobutuki barachego konyeka asenkwane ayo kwigoro musangerekano yo mwaziri wechiseme Julius Migosi nigo bono aikirana elyo kwigora umuroberi ya senchira ya bena samagache university yo asate bilibuna University ya Kisii nechikobega tiech University sata sensi ya Kenya echira chikuro bosemi obwo nigo ahoro kyomo gokoya hasogo chako kumuroberi yo bene abwa sebona ate bilibuna abasomi abange kurwa sorongoro Africa nigo barachego konyeka asenchira ere endonge muri kito ikliforenge nwarenga somo igoyo robatiro ya senchira bikira
asomo yiga bugo chaka bene murobiri bwa masomo yobotuki Harnessing Educational Research for Impact in Africa heri ime University ya Kisii. Abuo ase serikali yense ya Kenya inse wizara ya gisemi ya chakire bene murobiri bwo kurwa ogosira amasomo yobotuki oyura chekorwegwa as University sato eri ya Kisii Embu amonere ya Kenyatta bunenchira yemo yokweneke buna amasomo yobotuki bwoigoro nkorwegware asorogongo rwa Africa.
All the partners for bringing this vision to life. Let us work together to ensure that research leads, policies change, and communities benefit across Kenya, across Africa, and globally.
For the official launch of the Harnessing Education Research for Impact in Africa, here in Africa. This initiative marks a significant shift towards education research that is led by Africa and focused on creating impact in Africa.
Kagokuwa na asomo yigo nigo Professor Nathan Ogechi oyoro mo Vice Chancellor wa University ya Kisii ahoro kyomo goko yago chiase serikali na babwatani au berure kubwaterana nabwo erigo sira gisemi chobotuki gwetera somo roberi yo oheri Africa.
We will get ample time to engage in research on the various thematic areas within the National Education Research Agenda (NERA), which will be unveiled shortly. In the same breath, I wish to challenge the early career researchers within the university and those who have attended to take advantage of this research initiative to enhance their research skills.
Naboigo muwaziri bw'ekisemi mensi ya Kenya Dr. Julius Migosho gamba nigo ayenekire buna serikali yensi ya Kenya nere negangenene yokokinia ekerengo kya masomo yobotuki meyensi ya Kenya kurwa sekerengo kya enoti nugutesa nesato igoro yemia kwekebere igoro yemia asegekekekere bosio.
We were here to launch the harnessing of education research for impact. As you very well know, research is a very important and critical aspect of our education system. And what we are trying to do as a government is to ensure that research is mainstreamed so that the decisions that are made in terms of policies are actually underpinned by data and evidence arising out of the research that has been undertaken by our institutions. So this is a group of a number of our partners who have come together and collaborated, and they've raised resources in order to be able to advance research in education, especially in the areas of language, which is the chair for Kisii University. Mathematics will be the chair for Embu University. And Kenyatta University will also have community and social sciences.
Egati ababwatani abubaikira na somo yugoyu na mone kyombe kya Imaginable Futures amona zizi Africa Foundation ababata babuna ekerengo gekisemi cyobotukime yechinse cya Africa nigo kerense nigo kubona tegosiro kagima naigo omuroberi uyu oheri no muya asogwikirania amagania yo.
Universities have come and they've set a national research agenda. You know, in the past our research was funded by international partners, but for the first time we have a situation where the universities themselves are setting the agenda forward for what are the areas we want to research and how that research will be used to inform our education policy and our education reforms. It's a big moment for the children and the future learners of Kenya. So together as we come today, we're looking at making sure there's an allocation of funding from the national government every year that goes into this research to guide and go into the research chairs in our different universities in the areas that matter to us.
What we welcome today really is the statement by the CS resounding what the promise we got from the president of raising the contribution of Kenya's GDP from 0.8% to 2% starting this year. We thought it was just a mere promise when we first had it, but the fact that the CS is resounding it is really something to welcome.
Bono nigo yabere buya gucha chisemi chekerengo kiguru anakagima Africa ikiagera asama tukaribosyo amasomo yobotuki as University nigara chigo chiguru ilyokurwa enchera guchia asobo manyobuya anakagima ase emenwa yegi Africa na igo nigo yategera University chyo nababwatani ao kwene kibuna kubasira baraboro kigwa elinde banyore amasomo yo asobwange pinkulipoteri Soko TV kurwa asobo gatagati mu chobosonge county ya Kisii Eritreane Wycliffe Orenge.
Biamana murikitu Wycliffe Orenge tuguska bosio mwanchu murigeri asoro tironde habarundi abechi pikipiki kurwa stage ya ufanisi ya ward ya Kitutu Central bunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii nigo bana baichoirwe no mogoko mega yoko bekiro wifi ya bosa no yokorie kergo kyobo jumba se bunge yo Ibrahim Nyangeso Junior yo baya ereire buna nigera chiko bakonya barabo kurigeria emeremo ne bane chinse chesko wetera senchira ye mitandao abego ko bakonya tibachi gutumeka ebesa heri bakorosia wetera suburundi bwabo bwa credit ko kugora chi bundles nigo bana bamuchira barayi bari barabisi asoko baombia ko barosire chipara abego ko moboria Nyangeso Junior hanyara ko baga ko banyora na ko baroseria elio kwegandiria semirobiri yabo yabasombi Petuel Machini nwarenga sayo robotiro ya senchira bwikira.
Leo tuko maeneo ya ufanisi kuadunga free wifi. Tutavuruga Bogetutu yote.
Barundia pikipiki kurwa stage ya ufanisi butokeme ward ya Kitutu Central hewinga Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii nigo bona balineki bakogokera maiga yoyo kuriye kirogo chibo jumbe asense meyo moske Ibrahim Nyangeso Junior wabikira wifi ya bosa ebarachi kutumeka hakurige meremo ya kerero asemetandao ao.
Ibrahim Nyangeso umehakikisha leo tumepata wifi na wifi kuna vitu vingi tutaifanyia. Wengi tumezoea kutumia credit ambapo mwisho wa siku umengangana kutafuta pesa unairejesha bado kununua credit ili uweke bundles. Lakini kuna step moja umehakikisha tumeipata siku ya leo.
Nachukua shukrani kuambia mheshimiwa asante kwa wifi ametuletea. Wifi itakuwa ikitusaidia vitu mingi. Kuna wenzetu hapa wenye hawana kazi watakuwa wakitafuta kazi online. Sasa kwa sasa tunaona lazima tupate mabadiliko. Mheshimiwa Ibrahim tutamsupport.
Tuangaire programu
yoko beka chi wifi sabanta baite be pikipiki to nyare kuberemisha bamanye corona ngakiense gendete tumanye matiangyo minto ngakia koiru ngakia konyokigu twanya kogen matiangirera abwatu matiangirera ombu yare ebinto binde twakora kino chigas online twanya okore binto
Usangane Nsoko TV marugobare chukurero asistichiyo nigo bono bor kioko wecho kwabo utyasabara ibara obisi aso gotabara seria chipara kubwaekana ne chinse mochinde
tutagete chenchi bogetutu eyaito ntobwati para wanda kitutu not chipare chiro chirame bonchari chirame chiro bogetutu gagarigere no agastro ufanisi eyeto konyeruka super town no mobungo ito Anthony Kibagandi isa super MP ale town CBD lakini ntobwati para enenchire gosoko ufanisi omuntu itobwe kamera zikomboreka enenchire ufanisi erega ntobwati rami twachande kirama tukamange tiyanya kobeku no moromu ntobwati para
nigo bono banya kwa kumubode nyangeso nyakobaga kubatarira na kubaikange edia baroseri chipara na bigamagendrandi banyako bawikirani mirimo yabo yabo chamba senchera nyororo
mmoja ambapo tuombe tufanyie ni tuhakikishie barabara kama hizi ambapo tunangangana pikipiki kila siku tufanya mambo na kufanya maripea atupati pesa kwa zile pikipiki tunazitumia kwa sababu barabara ni mbovu. Tafadhali ngangana utembee huko ndani ujue barabara ziko vipi, si kule town, huko ndani ndo nyumbani, wenyeji wanakuhitaji huko nyumbani. Shukran.
Omoisimiwo yo Ibrahim Nyangasararo no muya sana bana ligera liga ase binto chipara moromu chigarchi korunyambere school mate ga chipasi abane chikobanyangari gochiga goike pare yero si kormate ga ali epali egali atira buya abana bagende school buya mambi igombuya omwesimi wamboronge na kwanire noni nchara mwakere chinkobi
kuripoteria Nsoko TV kure county ya Kisii Jebetuel Machin
Oscar usio mwancho morigeria monchoria kurase county ya Nyamira Rogers Moturi nigo bono amochire na goichandira hegatie birasi ebyo bire ebibe ase skuru borose atente gotoka ase ward ya township county yo ya Nyamira nigo bono hanyara kobaga kurwa obokonyi bokwagacha ekirasi ekyo ase nseme yo hakonyara koba usegetu kia ekyo wakira ekurasa bodi abarayibari barase birogo kwenekia bonankobeka baro mukebo gosira amagendera ase chiskuru Murikito Steven Nyariki namange
ke Rogers Moturi oyuore nobote bwekrogo kibobunge bwa West Mugranko igesokire nakoraga bokongu mubunga orobisi asekeria nga eskuru yoboroso ya tente meyo mocho Nyamira igegatie birasi bire ebibe mono nonye birasi binde birosiri na CDF nigo biriye bitigari bire bobe mono ase bisaregete baranda nabo igoko bana mabati ya magotu egento moske Rogers Moturi aruira yogocha gochenchekera maso kurwa mabati ya 52
sukuru eye igegane irio gokonyo konene njinango bo mochumbe igo nalengi gotiga kiregento pi minyoke gocha tente lakini esaguri atali njengali mochumbe dalibo chibese chicha tente lero na chiko ivu na chiko serwa abantu sikogaika 2027 tiabarajiria ngochande osibyande bintu bya kabisa tekenirge yobondi gango taimo chumbe tiagendere koragira 2027 ngoikera
asense moyo mu MCO township Duke Masira oyurenga somo yego yo nigasegetire ngao komoka kwebirasi ebyo nigo byaretiro mono hasogosereka wechipara echo chigoso ase skuru eyume
abana baiteme kibakurwa mana goika umwiburi nabagusibye umwana omochena buya lakini goika umwana obere turugo esengenjo ntobwati kibarabara kigoiki abana abwa mugabano ito na atemire kona kumwabereri ngumwaka kento gakokorana na gukuminjake na sengenjo neje kuangira konga kibarabara icho ege kokana nje nana gukumusurura kana arorobire nona makoko na inje bone bimubyane mbyo chokana chinguru njirere no kuyana andi tindi je tayari kona gukumusurura tali kwancho kora abantu baminto batende kibara
ase siasa cha West Mugranko
nilikuja hapa. I think my polling station is one of those class down there ambao nilipiga kura, tukapiga kura, mkanipigia kura, nikachukua, lakini unajua kitu ilitendeka. Leo hatuchakucha siasa, tumekucha kwa maendeleo ya hii shule.
ayonsi ni gaya kwana ekero ari kuigora mache ayuarosiane kambuni ya Guardian Coach na kubwatirana ne kambuni yamo ya kwa Krara munenjere yamo yokwirani okoboko ase skuru eyu hawakira ekura
abana na mwigo mwalimu monene ateba before abane bali nkogenda roche ni matinya mumita bana bali nkoruga iga mpaka banyamumita bakikoya mache that's the time wasting abana baserie period ye ni mosense ngima kogenda roche bono bana mbali cha kogenda moche egento rakini ekenene mono amarwaire akorukurwa sa mache ekambuni ya bono gochikona chere asa abana bagochikonyara na waterborne disease so waterborne disease njiri gochikobororo etogotebia abantu baitekere mwanyolera macha kanywa macha maya.
So I want to thank you my brother and I want to thank you for finding ngambia amacha ya 90 school yeto ya tente enyora mache aiga mtu egesimanki ale mitu ali kale muno no mwakanyagarama gikoma ngiachi ko babuna yo mitoro jasi atebanga ebile bintu toko kora bile very expensive lakini ando mwali ntogo ikera elengo yegintu twatagete gukora so igo tiganda bene sendo teyikwa kolira mwaka aiga etole sigitunuguru amache gatukurusinse ngo ngora abantu bari gwakonya nabana ese ngijo mwari mutakwimuka kurwa akikuya amache bakurugira utugutinga no mwana gutumwa ense yu atumutugutine yegrasi yari
Steven Nyerikembonde Ensoko TV Tente West Mogrango county ya Nyamira.
Okoboria nigo kwarurwe gucha sabagusi bonsi kumwaregana Dr. Fred Matiang'i hamona baraibande bakoyamire serikali etaro hekagere gucha konekiwa hase orogonguru rwagusia se Kenya anene nigo bono abasaye basabirwe tibabesa gucha gutumeka asokorenta chibura buru asemesangerkano heyo eri bachikonekio murembe
kitaka nguru kwao mheshimiwa Brian Nyamoyagori yo maikaina munia salimaje kiongozi kia basaye kisi yaitu ngo rali bageriga bo bakira abantu baminto mbyamona asegenje mwata berimo gotenna monaitu na gotenna na so muri mheshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i eri tukolia next week mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i ngo jari nabagane bo opposition bonse pio mheshimiwa Gachagua mheshimiwa Gukina Maro mheshimiwa Natembea mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka amona baraibande kuri jinsi ya mochinde chia Kenya Jones baje ngo jagutara bari gocha gusia ite bago cha Nyamira ali baje Kisii County gocha kuigwa abantu ba Kisii County ake bagokwana igongo saba abarai abantu baito bonse bimo soka so bongeri tkelyo ekiagera abarai abo boso ne bago gocha baja korana na ntu abagusi ebirengere byeito mbiri byebito bwate igo tuamwire one time go se torase two time igo abari bonse bimo go support kanga yo mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i kuburi o president rutukeli mosoka so bonge mobuna na record yeli abagara sibna kora mosoka so bonge
kwana no mwana Jared munjine Jared nyandie ko mechi o mechi okinaro o mwana menta unechate kurukia bonyoro ncengure kurukio ba MC Kevin Ward naenda abantu bamwire nechate kugamba next aya naro kwana bonoiga asinge bono kukaribisha ekiongozi getu ya Jubilee naenda muno yituba gusimu Fred Matiang'i Okongo oyo karetu kuri Jumatatu abantu baminto bonse asimwa bwa chinse chonsi ibicha Nyamira County soke sobonge tumukaribishe omweshimwa Matiang'i basaye bane banyamira abangi nabagaka imuma etenga entoba gusi nabantu twanje tamani intuna abantu tole very peaceful omukutano oli no yo Fred Okengo Matiang'i omukutano oli no yo one time abantu barati batamenga ngo tumabaro bukurumi batume bichana goche Krenyo goche Nyamira County gosari omukutano Matiang'i ejunto go chiwanja intwe tukaribishe viongozi vyetu basi opposition united bago kuno mukutano bo bagende na amani ahonye komaitengo tumure kakanya mukutano ochoche obagenda oro intunto go kubori
ngo basaba mo tumeka abana baito na abana baito abaibori mate abana baito mbacha go tumeku asegenje
Toska robotironde maiga yobotori bwecha ya samasamba kogenda nse maiga ichi factory checha korenta chi machine chogotora echae egento kiagerete habakori emirimo kubutwa nigo bono mu engineer Adams Mochenu atebirenga achikonyara koba hose ogotaigwana kwa batori echae ase chinseme icho abo gotanyora emirimo na no kuigwa kurasa abarai nigo bono kiagerera momenyi we county ya Nyamira konyara koba gakonyora umochando yo kagokwana ase ekenyoro kya Irandi kegutoka itebe bunge North Mugirange county ya Nyamira Adams Mochenu oyo koriye kergo kyo seneta Nyamira nigasabire abarai ba Nyamira onchoreria eria bamenyi bachikonyara koba bagusirwa ase emiroberio yabo yogotore chae
ndetengeri ine Nyamira ninde bwati mpaka Nyamira ekolegasi ase roli eria representation bunango janateba egente tang'ani ngochi kuboria ali senate moina antu agwata masamba abantu betu bakabukire mambia bagenda gutore chai akega bakareta chimashini ali abantu mukairana isiko echire elimu agachire mukomoni unanenga kiyo musara teyo abantu bakorire gasi nao bare kenyoro both skilled bali barenge manager na unskilled bali bahenga tore chai mbabwati gasi a Ministry of Labor ikabeke kinako tin yego teba tiga bayuwane na abanyene amasambalia egere banyare komenya ne community burungi bakeichi machine abantu bairane bakorega munganchire ebegente gitang'ani ngochi gusuguma nende ngaigulero lirina arengo mokengo soma ikongalia abantu mbagachire batenya amasamba bareta chinko baoni chimbuli ne chingondi na otu bakalisiri mali lero bune ngombe korekana e fine ya 10,000 ne economy ya kasongo ngaimo kurusi e fine ochi waka na usina bano ko ile school igo moroche ninde okungia mangana alisabu ngi ateba omugusi itule mayaga yango Fred Okengo muri korara mocheno matiani mocheno yego ikenga kielirende moko nyoro mwana itegurari nansa moko nyora mocheno
Asaro botironde mwanju mugeria basae nigo bono baburigwe kuboria ebirogo byoborai ao sobachore bonne bosio mwaka ogocha elio kora ntoborai oboyia okwana nabarikia mangana nigo yokorie kirogo kyobo governor se county Nyamira Abednego Maina asabire kyombegete ndotobo chori ne chimbe bega Kenya IEBC kobeka bakarani vice inase bitu ao byokorikia bakichikura elio kona kya basai abange nkweri kyabare nonya nabo niga asabira barai bari barase birogo na bari bakoriye ebirogo ao gokonya basai kweri kya sobonge mwenjire moyo gocha kone kya nkorenta bare amonchereria iri bakari ko batumeka sokorenta chiburaburu aseme kutano ya barai bande.
The time has come for us to make sure that we have change in the leadership in our country, and the only way we can have change is for us the youth to stand up, to end to seek registration, voter registration, because we know that we have the numbers, but our numbers don't show when it comes to the day of election, and that's why today I'm reminding all the youths. We have talked online, we have demonstrated, and we have seen how the leadership of this country has decided to divide us. And now it's time for us to go and show them that our numbers matters. And for ourselves to take over the leadership of this country, we must rise up, register as voters, and we remind the IBC to make sure that they have enough staffs all over the locations where people need to register as voters. By more goons, we are killing the youths of this country by encouraging them to start fighting. So I'm talking to the politicians. We know you are capable. You have the resources, which much of them have stolen. But don't use them to kill our people, to create an environment that is going to cause chaos in this country. So let's try to have a peaceful opposition, a peaceful people opposing each other. But let's not fight. Let's not encourage people to fight. If you don't have an idea, an ideology, just don't fight for the seat instead of encouraging people to fight.
Manchumurigeri atogoska bosio magega hichibicha gutarase mitandao chi arokana kuborera abaswati amaskani no murayoyo mo okageira kobakuru asensi ya Russia nigabaraya bange na bega bananchi babere bagwesokia na kugikeria egekorekyo asabange basabiro butukikonekwa elikomanya ninki Kenya tukoba igikoirera egekorekyo konekwa murayo wangoiga no mwakilisho basubati kurwase county Nyamira Mheshimiwa Jerusha Momanyi uyo sabire serikali kuesona nigati elikonekya una abaswati konyora bare obwene bwabo.
Tunajua wanawake tunaambiwa sisi ni viumbe vidhaifu, lakini tunataka wajue sio viumbe vidhaifu ya kwamba watu waanze kutufanyia mchezo. Kwa kiakili we are the strongest, na kwa vitu zingine ambao tunafanya we are the strongest. Only that physically we cannot fight, but that does not mean people should use that to start molesting women. So kama moja wa mama I am so unhappy. Lazima wachunguze na watupatie ukweli, na huo ukweli ukipatikana, tunataka kuongea na serikali yetu ichue ya kwamba wasikupalie wale watu ambao wanakuja kutuangaiza.
Toska basio mwancho morigeria maiga yemiroberio yokubwatira na gwe serikali ya county ya Nairobi na bwiga serikali enene hase abaraya bange baesokire na komocha umoroberio yo nigo bonega tia barai cross county ya Nairobi abakokoboke serikali yobomo baesokire na kurwe nkwana yabo yogosira emiroberio yasibona atebiro kubwatirana negatia serikali enene na bwiga serikali ya county ya Nairobi na kirache kwenekia amagendro na bwigo kubakonya bamenye be county iga kwegenderia senchirengia
that we are still struggling with what really is public participation. The courts have said that public participation should not be a ruse. It should not just be a joke. It must be something meaningful as to get the information from wananchi. But whether that information will be used is another matter. Yes. Whether that information has been harvested from people will be used is another matter. So we are struggling around it. And the point we make today, somebody is out there confusing wananchi that it is transfer of function, that Sakaja has now just been rendered useless. He is supposed to go home. That people are bringing NMS in Nairobi. Far from the truth. This is a reinforced, robust. It is helping to create Nairobi in a space. And I really, honestly, want to thank Hechi, the president, because to think through, that has not happened before. You remember the other regime thought through but brought in NMS, and you know how NMS brought down, could not work functionally because of inter-dysfunctional mechanisms. But he has thought through and has decided that let us come in and help Nairobi run, pump finance. So it is not about transfer of functions. Not even one function has been given out. This is about revamping and taking care of our central metropolis the way we know it.
We are here to make a quick statement on the national government, Nairobi County Government Cooperation Agreement, that on the 17th of February 2026, the national government and the Nairobi City County government signed a cooperation agreement pursuant to Article 189 of the Constitution of Kenya and Section 6 of the Urban Areas and Cities Act. This agreement gives effect to a statutory requirement that has existed for over a decade, which provides that the two levels of government shall enter into a structured framework for the performance of functions and delivery of services for the people of Nairobi City. Nairobi is not only a county government under Article 176 of the Constitution, it is the capital city of the Republic of Kenya.
Mwancho morigeria habo no toikira omwerio hase ogukumanyaria enekiwe asiri tukerigana gusaba kwanenga gwesemire aya enekiwe nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ondigi nigonekana nseta asiri bagaria Ishmael Mogere asiri bagaria Brana Chaka Felistas Kabende na bego Barnabas Sondari bangonya kwenekia marugine chibichango cha rasencherengia twaro butkobia entra kwego kenemero biria gendata sembeo yensoko TV nya saika wanchanande tomera na sembeo.